let's get started on the submitting the orders page. So we'll make another page called Submit Order. This is going to be an MVC style website, but it's just an ASP.NET website with an MVC control on it, if you understand what I mean by that. So submit order, and beneath the title we've got a heap of classes that we're going to put in. Okay, so copy those and whack them in there. Okay, now div tag within, okay, add both a button and a multi-view control. Change the ID of the button and text to btn button and back. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're just going to standard, now button, and now we're going to, where's the multi-view? There we are. Okay, so now it says just set the ID to that and the text to back. Okay, and then change the page load. So that's what we've done for just about every tutorial so far. Paste there, and from here double click on the button, so we're setting that up first, back, and whack this in. Okay, there you go. Okay, now it's time for the multi-view control. We want to name the multi-view control confirm order. So we'll do this, and we name the thing this, and we're going to set up another view. Okay. So we're just going to name it ID. Confirm cart. So right. Okay, and then the next part, add a data list with the following source code. Okay, so data list, you just go in here, and here we are. Now, okay, so in this we are going to edit templates. Sorry. Just check that works. Okay, yeah, so that worked. It should just look like that. Not very impressive, but it's got all the labels and so forth. And okay, beneath the data list item, we're going to have these. Basically, okay, just to explain what this does. Control KD. Okay, just line it all up. So this is a total order price, so the total price of the order, obviously all the items. BTN accept shopping cart. This is a because it's a view, it's going to have several views, and it's going to go on to the next view basically. But this will be the confirm cart will be the view that's seen initially. This will become more clear as we go on. In the view, we'll check the shopping cart. Go to the data list. Okay, we're going to go to the data list, and we're going to set up the item data bound. So scroll down and double click here. Right. Now, as always, copy and paste this code. There. Made it easy for you. Okay, now in there. Right, so what we're doing now is if it So you include those classes. So if it's an item or an alternative item, so in other words, it's going for every item within the database, and for each of them, we're going to find each of these controls which are set up that are clear right now. And then from here, we find the information from the, we haven't assigned any data to this, but this would just go into the row items and find the ones that we need. So it looks at it like an array, and that's why we need to make another method. We can't just assign a list object to this. We'll do that soon. And then of course it assigns the values to string, and then that C, that means money, cost. Okay, so next time, so now all we got to do is assign the data. Okay, so okay, copy this, and I haven't written this right, sorry. I'm just going over and making notes to change things. Basically, this code here, this is going to be used in this page load. I didn't spell that out properly. You're going to also need to have a shopping cart declared up here. D. Okay. Shopping cart data list. Okay. I think what's happened here is I may have okay, shopping cart data list. I should have set this to being named that, so I'll just go back to here. And when it says data list, Control V, and we'll see if it's still complaining. Okay, this is another thing further down, so I'll just comment this out. It's further down the tutorial. But anyhow, that's when you're actually confirming. So here we are. Okay. And then finally, double click on the customer details. This one. Here we are. And we're going to paste this in. Right. Now, we need this view in. Okay. It's complaining because we don't have the view as yet. So we put that in here and we paste that previous view in. And okay, so it's all we just forgotten to put a view tag in. Okay, so that's what it should look like. So where are we now? Okay, so that's what it looks like, and then we it's put in there, it looks funny. Double click on that button, and we put in this. Okay, and of course this is not going to like it either, because that needs to be put in. But yeah, that's where this tutorial finishes, so I'm just going to leave it there. And obviously you're going to have to go on and finish the whole 4 tutorials in order to get this whole thing done. But it shouldn't take you too long, so I'll see you next time.